Today we're teaching you how to make an awesome nice thumbnail for YouTube videos. Yes, hello, welcome! Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're starting a new chapter, Photoshop tutorials. Thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed to our channel. We are humbled by your support and we hope that you continue to support us by pressing that subscribe button and hitting that like button. The first step is to start Adobe Photoshop. Press the create new button. And now we will be able to select preset details here. We will go ahead with 1080p, write 1920, press pixels here, and 1080 at the height. Orientation mode, landscape because this is a thumbnail. Resolution 300, pixels per inch, RGB color, 8-bit and white. Hit create. And now we have a simple white 1080p wallpaper here. Now we can go ahead and unlock this. And now press file to open up the files you want to use in your thumbnail. Here we have this amazing guy here laughing, really hysterical laughter here. Now press the unlock button here and zoom in. Press the zoom in button here. And now we want to cut him out from this picture so we can paste him in our thumbnail. So go ahead and press this item here, the pen tool, so we can cut him out. And now we're gonna cut him out like this. Just go careful here around the edges. I'm gonna do a more fast job here just to show you guys how fast and efficiently we can create a nice looking thumbnail. When you do this, you will zoom in, of course, and put more fine details when cutting the people out here. And here it doesn't really matter, you can just select outside the image because there's nothing there. And now we're gonna right click here when we have selected the endpoint here. Right click, make selection here, press OK, and now just drag with the drag tool here, move tool, press it, and now you can drag the man here. Drag him to this wallpaper here, as you can see. And now you can select him over here, and now the man will be here. Now that we have the man here, we want to bring the wallpaper to the man. And let's press file here and open up our wallpaper here that we have selected. This very nice amusement park. Unlock, and now just use the drag tool here and move it to the untitled layer here. And now you can see the wallpaper is here. Now you will drag the layer 1 up here so you can have the man here over the wallpaper. And now you may be wondering, this is not looking like a good thumbnail. Now we just have the base. So let me show you the handiwork to create this awesome wallpaper here. Thumbnail, I meant. Now we're gonna select here the layer 1 and press the FX button. And we're gonna use the outer glow. Now you can select the spread function here. And you can select the size here to give you the nice effect you want. You can increase the size and you can decrease the spread. We're gonna use the spread on 74, which we usually use. And the sides here, we want to have that popping effect from the man here laughing. So he really comes out from the wallpaper here. I'm gonna press OK there, and now we can move him around here to the selected desired place we want him to be. Now we're gonna press Ctrl T button here, so we can select him, and press the Shift button, hold it down when making him bigger. We want him to be like this big, and move him to the side. Just like this. And press the OK button here. Now we want to make that wallpaper a little bit more blurrier, so you get the DSLR effect and make the man pop more from the background. So what we're gonna do is select layer 2 here and go to filter and then go to blur. We want to select Gaussian blur, and you can see the effect here. We usually put it at 4, and voila, now you have the blur effect from the wallpaper here. And now the last step is to make a nice clean text for the thumbnail. This really completes the thumbnail, so we're gonna go ahead and right here we're gonna decrease the text size here to around 30. We're gonna change the text here color to white, and then just write awesome day at the amusement park. And now we can go ahead and select the text here with the move tool. We can go ahead and use Ctrl T so we can select it, and we can rotate the text here like this. Awesome day at amusement park. And just go ahead and put it here. And now to get the text, that awesome popping effect, we usually use drop shadow. So we're gonna select the layer here, the text layer, and press FX button and press drop shadow. Drop shadow, we can go ahead here and play with the spread effect. We want to have a more subtle spread here, and the size we can go ahead and do it like so. And these are settings you can play around with, 50 and 21 for this text. It really depends on the size and the font you're using for your text. Now go ahead and press OK. And that's it. Now you have an awesome looking nice wallpaper for YouTube. This was just a very fast and efficient sketch here for you, so you can use the tools that we are using for our thumbnails. This was not something that I'm not too proud of, but you get the hang of it. The outer glow, the drop shadow, the Gaussian blur, the cutting out people, the moving tool. These are the central tools for making an awesome thumbnail. And that was it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the tutorial and you could follow it. As I said, this was not my best work. This was just to demonstrate the tools that we are using here at Human Suten Tech Company. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to show us some support and love, and hit that thumbs up button to show us some engagement here. And don't forget to hit that share button so you can share this tutorial to all of your friends and family who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel but don't know how to do a nice looking thumbnail. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's really important that you get notified of our new uploads. And don't forget who this is. This is Human and Suten.